So today we're going to build the Stratco Workbench. The Stratco Workbench actually comes in 3 different sizes. They're all the same height and depth, which is 450mm deep, 900mm high, but we've got them in either 900mm long, 1200mm or 1500mm. And the 1500mm unit is the one that we'll be building today. The instructions are all the same. One tool, the mallet, and I'll be wearing safety glasses today. So the first step is building your base. So we're going to stand up all 4 uprights with our 4 base arms around the bottom, which are the same as the top arms. The bottom ones go in 1 keyhole up from the bottom, and we'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so the first thing we do is the front arm, 1 hole up from the base and a little whack with a mallet. Then the side. And then our rear support. Then 1 hole up and a little tap. Don't tap too hard, we don't want to bend the top lip. In this instance, I've got an assistant on the other side, just for the video. What I like to do next is we'll just put on our feet caps. So we've got 4 of those, just to keep your floor nice and scratch free. And for our 1500mm unit, so the workbench that's 1500mm long, this one comes with 2 centre supports, only for this size. And as you can see, just to give that bench extra strength. So I find it's easiest to put the bench in, the bottom bench, before we put the top arms on. There we go. So that bench on the bottom there, that'll hold 150 kilos, evenly distributed. And the last part is the top bench, which is about twice the thickness as the base. And it also has this terrific beveled edge on the front, which keeps it nice and smooth. And that will fit in nicely in the frame. And that's our Stratco Workbench, which is available in 3 sizes. This is the 1500mm long. We also have a 1200 and a 900. The 1500's the only one that needs the additional centre supports just due to the length. And each shelf actually holds up to 150 kilos, evenly distributed. Thanks for watching.